Hey everyone, I have no case, but I'm at the water. I'm at the water out here in DC. Slash whatever. Don't worry. I saw a cardinal. I'm safe, guys. I'm by the water. Everyone's just up there, like, look at everything. Like, look at this. It's so pretty. Anyways, I'm about to go over here, right quick. 1 second, so get away from all this chaos. Hold on. Hold on, I'm like not even halfway across. Okay, then it's gonna be my dirty shoes then. 1 quick second. My shoes are gonna be soaked. Oh. Tomorrow I'm gonna be like, what the? Oh, that's right. I didn't bring my weed and shit. I would love that. Oh, look at that. This is look at this. That's nice. Look. Look at. Oh wait, hold on. I gotta back some. Yeah. It's like all this water. I'm about to try to go a little deeper, find out where this actually goes right quick. Hold on, guys. About to go a little deeper. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Jesus. Oh. This is gonna be fun. I don't know what's in this water, but at the same time, I'm like, yay. At the same time, I'm dirtying up my shoes. I'm getting all filthy. Anyways, like this is all like this part here. I'll rather wait for my boots because it's best to be safe. So this is what I'll be doing in the near future. Like I'm about to be joining a cooking class very soon. Things are happening very well for me at this moment. I was pissed off earlier because I thought that I wasn't loved by the universe because but a little gentle reminder, a cardinal just appeared. So I'm out here in nature. Look at that tree over there. You see a nice good ass tree. Shut my phone off for a minute, stop moping a little bit. Yeah, it happens to us water signs and gee whiz. Fuck. Ugh. Not even that deep. Fuck. Oh man. I have like one in my face. Anyways. Oh, let me shave this morning. I should wear my makeup. But I didn't shave, so half man, half woman today, I guess. I don't know. Ooh. What's up? 7-Eleven bag over here. Anyways, I'm about to charge my phone. I'll be on here later. Like later on, I get some these shoes. I think I popped a hole in my shoe. It's okay though. Just wanna tell you guys that hey, someone on live on YouTube. Shout out to Ralph Smart. Shout out to LSC. Tarrant, shout out to B Sparky, shout out to everybody, Pisces Gang, Pisces Nation, Pisces Family, what's up? 0227, he's here, I'm here. Goddess Water's here. I may not have my rainbow cape, but that's just fine. My eyes are brown, so there you go. I don't know how that makes sense. Hold on. I gotta get back. Anyways, guys, oh shit, hold on, let me get across here before I sign myself out. Oh, God. Go ahead. I did a light worker style. There we go. Fuck, right through the fucking water. That's right. That is my shit. Let's go. I don't know. I'm kind of liking it now. It's kind of like a pool for me. Fuck that. Fuck that, you have to get a vaccine because you want to join the fucking pool and shit. Fuck. Like, build my own fucking pool in my yard. That's what I'm doing. Ever heard of DIY? Nah, but You know, we all have some things to do as Pisces. And I'm just now getting to the hill of it. The hill of it. Look. Oh yeah. Oh, Archangel Michael, protect me from these thorns of. They are thorns. Jesus. I think I'm going along. Okay. Ooh. Oh. Hold on. Yeah. Whoops. Hold on. I don't even have my Nextel on me like I used to. Just in case being retarded. But I don't need it. This will be a backup thing, but I'm on like 15 blocks from my house to begin with. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Oh, my God. Oh. I made it to civilization. Shit. Oh, my God. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh. Phew. 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 I feel like, what the fuck? What the hell? But I'm like, whew. The whole hiking trail. Oh, hold on. I'm sitting on the bench. Oh, God. Oh, that's nice. Oh. Okay. My feet are soaked. I'm happy. I'm about to probably bathe my feet again. Get a shot and like spa my feet. Because, anyways. Let's go on like this. Bye. Yeah, love y'all Pisces fam.